If this pattern and marker technician can achieve 89% fabric utilization for apparel, that's good.
Okay.
More than 89 is like bonus.
Okay.
Less is like, try again. So we're in a sample room in apparel factory of Ho Chi Minh City, and this gentleman is an expert pattern and marker technician.
Okay.
And he's using a software called Optitex, which makes the patterns and the markers.
Yes.
And each one of those objects is what we call panel. So one pattern will be made of many panels.
Yes.
Right? So like your shirt you're wearing, you got the front panel, the right sleeve, left sleeve, and the back panel. And then you got your collar panel.
Okay,
And the
okay.
placket. The way it's all laid out on like a big piece of fabric.
Yes.
You gotta imagine that could be 3 meters long.
Yeah.
Like we saw on the cutting table.
Yeah.
Right? And they will print this out. And then they will put it on top of the paper. And then they will cut along the lines. And you see all the white space?
Yeah.
That's your money.
Okay.
That's fabric that ends up on the floor.
Yes.
So his job is to work together with the software to arrange the panels in the marker to minimize fabric wastage or maximize fabric utilization.
Yes.
And the standard is 89%. If this pattern and marker technician can achieve 89% fabric utilization for apparel, that's good.
Okay.
More than 89 is like bonus.
Okay.
Less is like, try again. you know?
Yes.
Imagine you're doing towels.
Yes.
Towels are perfectly square, so there'll be zero wastage. But garments have curves. That's why there's wastage.
Yeah.